What up guys, so the ICE network just posted a brand new project. This one is called Source, which is going to be launching on the ION, that's the ICE Open Network, and they are going to be giving 75% of the total supply to the community, and you can invite as much as possible. This is not like the SunWave or the CallFluent that they limited the invitations to a certain amount of numbers. But this time around, you can invite as much as possible on this project. So in this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to get started, how you can register an account, and how you can start mining, and if possible, how you can boost your account to earn some more. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, you need to pay attention to every single details in this video. So in order for you to get started on the Source, you need to use the link in the description of this video. Click on it, it's going to bring you exactly to this page. And once you get over here, what you need to do is to copy, first of all, copy your referral code, which is over here. You can see, click on this copy button. You click on the copy button just the way I just did right here. Copy, then you click on either Google Play or you use APK file, Android APK file. I prefer using APK file anyway. I'm just going to click on APK file. If you wish, you can use Google and you go straight to Google to download this. I'm going to download this using APK file directly. All right, after downloading, you need to install this, so I'm just going to install this straight away right here onto my mobile phone. Download is over. All I need to do is to click on open. So I'm going to open this and set up my account. All right, so follow me in every single step I'll be showing you right here right now, and make sure you do the same thing so that you can also get your accounts set up. All right, very good. Now the next thing to do, I'm going to put in my email address over here to sign up. Then you log in, click on the login, sign up. So they are going to send a code to your email address. Most of the time this always take time, but let's hope this time around it's going to be different from the last two projects. All right, this time around I hope ICE network make this email address come very fast. I'm going to go to my wallet, into my email, and check if I got the code and bring it back here right now. So I got the code in my email. I'm just going to put it here, which is 383. All right, so I'm going to go to the next page quickly. All right, so next, let's go next. You can take your time to read all this. All right, it's about the project in general. All right, so next. Okay, so over here you can write in your own nickname, claim your nickname. I'm going to write my nickname over here, which is Urban Time. Gonna put it together. All right, Urban Time. Then I click on next. Very good, it's available. Now you are going to put in whoever invited you. So you can put in my own nickname, which is Urban Time, because I am inviting you to join us right here. So I'm just gonna paste in the code I copied, because I copied this straight from their platform. So I'm just gonna put it here, but you can put in my nickname in order for you to get some reward. All right, so I got some reward of 2,000 token on my balance right here. So you are also going to get a reward of 2,000 token for using my nickname. All right, so I'm going to click on complete right here. Let's go. All right, very good. Now you should get familiar already with this type of application if you've been using ICE network for the past few months. All right, so I'm just going to skip this. Okay, so you should know already how ICE network worked and how with the SunWave application is working, and also CallFluent. They all have the same interface, just different colors. All right, so you should know how to use this type of application already. So I'm just going to click over here in order for me to activate my mining section, which is done. All right, just click on this S and you are going to be mining once in every 24 hours. And I know they are definitely going to burn some ICE by telling us to boost over here. So if you click on the boost, you'll be able to boost your account with some ICE by burning some ICE. So you can see them over here. We have level 1, level 3, up to level 3 over here. Level 3 requires you burning about 5,918 ICE in order for you to increase your earnings. So if you are the type that you have some ICE in your wallet and you want to boost your account, you can just go over click over here and you click on continue, then you are going to send in exactly this amount of eyes in order for them to boost your account. And the benefits of boosting your account to level 3, you can mine up to 72 hours, that's about 3 days, okay, without getting slashed. All right, so no slashing. You can see there won't be any slashing. And in case you do not have eyes and you want to do this, you have to go to one of these exchanges you can see here, buy eyes, and you click on continue, and you'll be able to boost your account. So that is just how you can boost your account. But remember, this is not a financial advice, and cryptocurrencies are highly risky. So make sure if you are buying anything cryptocurrencies, you are doing it at your own risk. Do it with only funds you can afford to lose. All right, so now I'm still going to show you some other things you need to know. Now let's go to the home page. Now over here on the home page, you can see I'm already mining. These are some things you need to take into account and you need to do, which is over here where it is written task. You have to come over here and do all the tasks available here, and it's going to help you earn some extra tokens. All right, over here, click here and do all tasks in order for you to earn some extra token quickly. You can take your time to read by reading the white paper. Click over here, the roadmap, and you check out every single details there, and you will understand what this project is all about and how to participate in it. All right, so over here, click on invite friends, and you can be able to share your referral link. All right, copy your referral link here. I've copied mine. Then you can go to your social media, go to your WhatsApp group, go to your Telegram, go to every other social media that you have friends and crypto enthusiasts. You can share your link with them, and they are going to use your link, and you are going to be earning some bonus definitely from there. Now this project is very new, so if you are watching this video anything from 22nd of August, let's say towards the ending of the month of August 2024, you are still super early in this project. So I believe if you hop on it right now, you will be able to accumulate some reasonable amount of this token before it gets listed on the main net, before it get listed on the main net. All right guys, so the link is in the description of this video. Go down there, hop on it, and join us. Let's accumulate this token for completely free right here right now. All right guys, so if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. And I want you guys to go ahead, click on the link in the description that lead to my Telegram channel, because that is where I drop more updates more often. So if you want to get updates more often about these projects I'm talking about, you need to be in that Telegram channel. All right, so guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.